This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the usual suspects. First, plug in the original USB-C cable and charge for at least 20 minutes. Low voltage can block diagnostics. Once charged, perform a forced reset by holding power and noise cancel buttons together for 10 seconds to clear temporary faults. Make sure you watch the LED. White blinking means pairing, red means low battery, so you know whether to proceed with software or hardware steps. This gets you to a reliable baseline quickly. Once baseline checks are done, focus on software and internal contacts. You should open the Beats app and attempt a firmware update while ensuring other Bluetooth devices are disconnected. Firmware fixes many audio and connectivity bugs. Next, power off and carefully clean charging/contact pins with 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab to restore reliable connections. Finally, feel the ear cups and cable joints for looseness or misalignment. Mechanical issues often mimic electronic failures, and you finish by reassembling everything and running a structured test. 15 to 30 minutes of playback at moderate volume, a mic test recording, and switching ANC modes. If intermittent problems remain, perform a full factory reset, then pair to a different device to determine whether the issue is headset or phone. If problems persist, document exact symptoms: LED behavior, static, one-side loss, or mic dropout, so a repair technician can diagnose faster. One tip: if sound cuts with motion,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.